What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another daily review where I cover my trades for the day. Today is Tuesday, May 2nd, 2023, and today I lost about $85 trading coin. Took two trades to the downside. Uh, Before I get into the trade, I just want to cover and highlight there were some key economic news that came out today. We had the JOLTS job report, which I believe did come out lower than expected. And then we have more jobs report tomorrow, ADP, as well as and the FOMC announcement, followed by um, Jerome Powell speaking about it. So tomorrow's a very, very key day. Um, as you can see first at the SPY, the overall market, right at market open, we see the stock gap down and it was absolutely sold off, just ripped to the downside, about 7 points from like 415 all the way down to 407, 408. And then we had a little relief rally here. Um, so that was for the overall market. And then looking at coin, which is the stock that I traded for today, I was definitely watching this 50 level here, a key psychological level. As you can see, there's a recent strong downside momentum on the daily here. And the 50 has been tested multiple times, a bunch of times you can see. So, um, in addition to that, Citi, I believe, came out with some news about cutting price targets as well as downgrading the stock. So I was definitely very biased to the downside. So I definitely plan on playing puts. So let's get right into the actual trade itself. So um, you see a market open, it did a nice little sell-off here. Then it tried to test this pre-market low at 49.13. I entered at this candle here. I like that it broke 50, which is a key psychological level and a key support level. And it was rejecting pre-market low. It was having some troubles getting back up. So I decided to enter one contract here. And it went down a bit, but it wasn't that meaningful for me to take profits. Um, and then try to go back up. It looks like it clearly went way up, and I got stopped out, so I got out at this candle, cut my losses there. So I'm happy about that trade. I'm happy with that entry. Not happy that I cut my losses here. And then I entered two contracts here to the downside. I saw strong rejection from the resistance level here around this 50.60 ish level. Um, it also rejected and dipped below this previous day's close. This trade, I actually day traded, so you can see I think I entered this trade around at 10:40 in the morning, and I got out at almost 2 p.m. over here in the afternoon. So um, instead of usually scalping, I day traded the whole thing. But what I did was instead was I played with a lower risk. I played it out of the money this time, so I wasn't I wasn't I wasn't really too mad about it. I was pretty comfortable with the trade. Um, but however, I held way too long. I held it only because I thought it was going to sell off, given that it had some negative news. Market was selling off. We tested the 50 level multiple times. It's on a daily downtrend, so very, very biased towards the downside. So as you could probably, I guess I could probably say I had some FOMO. So I decided to hold on, hoping that it'll sell off, but it looks like it never did. And I decided to just get out at one point and just call it a day from there. Um, but tomorrow is the FOMC meeting, Fed announcement. Jerome Powell speaking in the afternoon. So very key day tomorrow. Um, and yeah, that's it for me today. lost about $85 for the day. So, yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.